Over the course of the summer, we have seen Ethereum take a big correction, as has the whole crypto market, almost 50% down. And at time of recording today, Ethereum is trading at $2,350. In this video, I'm going to showcase some very interesting technicals to make people actually rethink the market right now. A lot of people, of course, are worried. Will it fall much more? Will we go into the $1,900, $1,800, $1,700, $1,600 range? Or is this a major support zone that we should be buying? We're going to uncover all that, and of course the slightly lower time frame. So if you're wondering what's going to happen with Ethereum throughout the rest of this year into 25, and of course for the next few months into autumn, fall, I've got you covered. Hit the like button, guys, and let me apologize. I've been away from the channel for a month. I've taken a bit of time off. I really do feel bad, quite honestly, that I've let a lot of the community down, that I haven't been posting these regular videos. I do appreciate your patience. I needed some time off. I've been making videos pretty much daily for the last 3 years. Summer came, the market happened, as you know, and to be honest, I just needed a break. But I'm back. I'm going to be back here with daily videos. So thank you for joining me. And of course, I'm looking forward to updating you guys with daily content, mainly Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the altcoin market as we go. So this is what I'm going to be focusing on. At the moment, we have, of course, a clear trend. Okay, the trend started back in June 2022, so 2 years ago, where you can see we had this low, and of course you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and that trend recently got broken actually this summer. We're now not creating higher highs and higher lows. We are in a situation where we've created our first lower high. Okay, we created this lower high and now a lower low. So the uptrend has indeed been broken. But of course, the question is, how long will the downtrend take place for, considering we are still in a bull market, of course. Now, very, very important. There are some major support levels working in the bull's favor. And actually, my bias is bullish right now. I am buying Ethereum at these low $2,000 levels, $2,200, $2,300. And I'm going to show you why that is. And I'm going to show you why I'm extremely bullish on Ethereum and the whole crypto market from a technical perspective, but from a fundamental perspective as well. We could talk about that in another video, such as interest rates, elections and so forth. But this is a technical video, and I'm going to be showing you why I'm buying and why I'm very long at the moment. So you have to excuse me, guys. I have a bit of a cold, but I promise this is going to be a very interesting video, so bear with me. Support and trend lines. So look at this. This is the first thing to make everybody aware of. We have this support line intact in play that goes back 2 years. Look at this support, touch point, touch point, touch point, touch point. Did we just bounce off the latest support zone? I think so. That's one level we can look at. The other very important support level is the major support going through the cycle that goes back all the way to 2021. So this is 3 years old in terms of support. You can see how the market structure here, this kind of separates the bear market to the bull market, and currently we're getting supported. This support zone is psychologically at $2,000, $2,040, and up to where we're trading now, $2,300. So it's a very important level to hold, and as long as $2,000 holds on a weekly, you've got to stay bullish. You really have to. So that's just another support zone. There's lots of confluence that we have. So some other key support levels are fib levels. If we draw a fib level from the swing low of June 2022, where the bull market really started, you can see that we've actually found support at the golden pocket. We came down to touch $2,100, $2,080. It's a major support zone for the market. So that's another reason to stay bullish, that we're at that support zone. Also, if you look at the 200-day, not the 200-day, the 200-week moving average, which is an even more important historic level that goes back as you can see, we are now trading at that support zone of the 200-week moving average, which is priced at 2,287. Because it's such a long-term moving average, you can dip below it, you can stay above it, but it's a guide as to where the market is. And we are above the 200-week moving average. Then you have the key levels, the weekly levels. Look at these. We have a weekly support level at $2,250. Well, it's actually $2,260. So that's a major line in the sand for me. And you don't really have another major level beyond the $2,000 level until you get down to sort of $1,500, $1,600, which is a monthly level. So basically, guys, if we do lose the $2,000 psychological level, I would be pretty confident that we will see somewhere around $1,600. I think that's a given. That's only if we lose the $2,000 level on sort of a weekly chart. You can see if you bring the fib levels back in, you can see that the next major level, the 0.786, does take you down to 1560. So if we lose $2,000, we get some weekly closes. Yeah, do expect $1,500, $1,600. Until that happens, you've got to stay quite bullish, in my opinion. So that's the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, we have quite a bullish pattern here. We have a triangle. This is a bullish triangle because it's forming this W pattern, and we're actually finding some support now. Maybe this kind of W pattern. If we get a breakout here, the price target is going to take us somewhere to the top of that range for a 50% move back up to $3,500. But of course, until we've broken one way or another, we can't trade it bullish or bearish. Of course, you know, if it breaks to the downside, do expect a 40% move to the downside, and that will kind of confirm the bearish bias down to this kind of $1,600 level. That's what you can anticipate. If you want to take a trade, if you want to use leverage, futures, or spot, I do recommend Blowfin. It's a really good crypto trading platform with no KYC. Sign up is super duper easy, and also using the link in the video description, guys, it's no longer a $5,000 bonus, but a up to $10,000 deposit and trade bonus. So you use the link down below, you can sign up in seconds, register, make your first deposit, and you can claim up to $10,000 in free crypto to start trading. Now I'm going to end today's video with an AI analysis using CoinGPT, which is a free Telegram bot. The link is in the description for the bot. You can check it out. You can analyze any coin in any time frame. So we're going to use it, of course, for Ethereum. And let's go. Let's have a look at Ethereum. We're going to tap Ethereum there. And again, you can type any coin you like, hundreds of coins, and you can get analysis, stop loss, take profit, and change the time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's a short bias. However, if we change the time frame to, let's say, the daily time frame to get a different sentiment on the market, the daily is actually telling us to go long with a take profit of 2,700 and a stop loss of 2,300. Now, the reason it's saying such a huge percentage is because it has my auto trade set up. I can actually click that button and it will send the trade to my exchange with leverage. You can change that all in the settings. Very cool. I suggest to check it out. Link is in the description of CoinGPT. But as you can see, the higher time frame is telling us it's actually bullish, and AI using real-time data is very good. You can even chat to this bot using it like ChatGPT. I could say, could you suggest some take profit levels on the way up, for example? And just like a GPT, it understands the real-time data, and it's giving you some further insight. It's a very clever bot. Very easy to use, so I suggest to check that out. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know by liking it and letting me know in the comments. I'm really pleased to be back again. Sorry to leave you guys for so long, but I'm back now with daily content. Once again, links are down below for your free trading bonuses. Blowfin, I also recommend these crypto exchanges below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again later on another video. Take care. Bye-bye.